who is Dr. Muhammad Yunus, who has been appointed the head of the interim government? Nobel laureate Dr. Muhammad Yunus will be the chief advisor to the interim government in Bangladesh, the students' leaders announced today. Well, the 84-year-old Grameen Bank founder has accepted the offer and will be landing in Dhaka soon. Dr. Yunus was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2006 for his pioneering work in helping millions of people out of poverty. Grameen Bank, the microfinance lender he founded in 1983, gave small loans to the rural poor of Bangladesh, fueling the country's economic growth. As of 2020, Grameen Bank had over 9 million clients, with more than 97% of its borrowers being women. Yunus's philosophy was simple yet revolutionary. Even the poorest could work to bring about their development. Grameen Bank's innovative model has since been replicated in numerous countries, proving to be a powerful tool for poverty alleviation. Earlier this year, Yunus was convicted for violating the country's labor laws. He was also indicted by a Bangladesh court on charges of embezzlement of $2 million from the Workers' Welfare Fund of Grameen Telecom, which owns a stake in Grameenphone, the country's largest mobile phone company. Beyond the Nobel Peace Prize, Muhammad Yunus has received several other prestigious awards, including the United States Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2009 and the Congressional Gold Medal in 2010. Yunus also served as the Chancellor of Glasgow Caledonian University in Scotland from 2012 to 2018 and has been involved with several organizations, including serving on the board of directors of the United Nations Foundation from 1998 to 2021. Muhammad Yunus, born in 1940 in Chittagong, studied at Dhaka University before moving to the United States to pursue economics at Vanderbilt University. After completing his PhD, Yunus went to become an assistant professor at Middle Tennessee State University before returning to Bangladesh.